Hello, this is the solar array on our roof. This is 10.8 kilowatts total with 18 panels on the west side, then another 18 panels on the east side. So that's 10.8 kilowatts DC, 7.6 kilowatts AC that we have back in the inverter down in the basement. All right, here is our solar inverter. We just had to have this replaced under warranty because the 1.0 version of this Solar Edge stopped working this week, and this 2.0 version has a better track record. That power goes into a 40 amp 240 breaker into our electrical panel and feeds into the whole house. I also have a Sense power meter that looks at both mains for the entire house and is able to give us data for our electricity usage, and then also the solar going out of the house, and it's able to figure out the difference between electric motors that have a certain signature, or the refrigerator, or the air conditioning, or electric lights it has a hard time with, LED lights it has a hard time with, but so electrical devices it's a little bit harder, but it's a smart device that learns over time what usage you have and totals those up and gives us a nice daily or instantaneous or monthly total. Here's our electric meter on the back of the house with the DC disconnect for the solar panels. This meter basically runs backwards when we're overproducing on a nice sunny day, and that feeds energy back into our local neighborhood grid. That's called net metering. And right next door, Grandma and Grandpa have solar too. We have one electric car right here that uses about $20 to $30 a month in electricity, and if we needed to add a second electric car, then we could maybe have another west-facing array of solar on the roof. Thanks for taking time to come and check out our solar in this virtual tour. My kids and I appreciate everyone's interest in clean energy, so keep it up. Thank you.